Okay, today I'm taking a look at the 4-pack of clear bumpers. So this is them, and they are a little bit thicker than I was expecting, which is nice. So this is going to provide a little bit more cushion. Plus, I think the thing that makes these things stand out is just that they've got that air pocket on the inside. So where a solid bumper would be more impactful when something hits it, it will transmit more of that energy to the wall. Air is a little bit more squishy, so this will have a more pillowy effect. They are adhesive lined all the way down the back. There are 2 6 inches and 2 4 inches. So the main reason I got these is to protect this door on my new fridge. It's got this nice stainless steel door, and I don't want that slamming into the wall, breaking up the wall and breaking up the fridge. I'm just going to peel that off, and I'll stick that right there. There we go. And to better distribute the weight, I'm going to put another one a little bit lower. I do like that it's completely clear. It is a little bit dark, so I mean, you are going to notice that it's there, but it's way better than having a cracked wall or a dented refrigerator. Cool. So there we go. That'll give me a little bit more peace of mind, so even when kletzes like me operate this thing, I'm not going to have to worry about it anymore.